everybody, this is your beloved host Nikhil from Science Talks with Nikhil. Now today I'm going to be talking about types of energy. So you're asking me, Nikhil, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. So running and kicking, all of that includes energy. So there are 8 different types of energy. That is kinetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, thermal or heat energy, sound energy, light energy, nuclear energy. Those are the 8 types of energy that I'm going to explain in this video. First is kinetic energy, as I've shown here. Kinetic energy is movement energy. So anything that moves is kinetic energy. So, see this boy kicking the ball, so the ball is moving, which has kinetic energy. So when the boy kicks the ball stronger, the more faster it moves. So the more faster the ball moves, the more kinetic energy it has. So second is potential energy. So potential energy it is stored energy. It is waiting to be used. So it is stored in an object that is still but has the power to move. So in this example, the cyclist is on top of the mountain, on the hill. So he has energy. He's just still. So he is storing energy. So he can let that energy, he can use that energy to go down the hill. Third is heat energy, also known as thermal energy. How it comes is when tiny particles around us are all moving, that creates heat. So the more the particles move, the more hotter the object feels. So the particles inside the fire is moving a lot. So the heat spreads out of here. So we can feel that heat. Fourth one is chemical energy. Chemical energy is stored in food, fuels and batteries. So when our body eats foods, our body converts that energy. So we use that energy to think and grow. So even machines use chemical energy. So batteries and fuels, they use it to work. Electrical energy that flows through your wires and powers electrical things in your houses are made from tiny charged particles called electrons. So when these electrons move on a floor, they're called an electric current. So this can be created by rubbing two things like your hair and a balloon. So we send this energy to our homes and schools to power things there. Next is sound energy. Sound energy happens when something vibrates, making waves. So these waves travel to our ears, making the sound we hear. So example, I got a ringing bell. So when we shake that bell, a vibration happens. So it creates waves. So these waves travel to our ears, making the sound we hear, the ringing bell noise. Last but not least is nuclear energy. So nuclear energy is stored inside tiny centers of the atoms called nucleus. So when this nucleus splits apart, it releases a lot of heat as energy. So this immense energy extraction is called nuclear fission. So this energy is very powerful because even the sun uses this energy. So hope you learned a lot of things from my video about energy. So I'm also in the process of learning. So if I made any mistake, please comment below. So because your feedback is very valuable to me. And this is your beloved host Nikhil signing off. Wait, don't go to the next video. I made these special stickers for you guys. Yeah, you. So this sticker is about Newton's first law. You can write your name and ambition. So if you want this, comment down below and I'll try to give it to you. That's it from your beloved host. See you next week.